Motorsports. We're going to be showing you today how to apply our tail lamp tint kit on this Tesla Model Y. This is a air release dark smoke film, so we're going to be applying it completely dry. First, you want to start by cleaning the tail lamp and the surrounding area just with the car soap. That would be fine. And then prior to installation, go ahead and wipe down the surface with the microfiber with a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it. Let that dry, and once it is dry, you can go ahead and start the installation. You are going to need a heat gun and a squeegee for this process. That is available on our website if you do not have access to those. So we're going to be starting with the innermost lamp. And on that one, you're going to want to start by aligning at the bottom here. We're going to be leaving about a 1/4 inch gap between the film and where the tail lamp actually stops. And just work the film up. And then this does have like a bowl effect, so if you want to go ahead and press down the center of the film, you can go ahead and work the film up. And then down as well. You see I have that giant bubble there because I didn't follow my own instructions. You go ahead and pull the film back up and then work that air pocket out and then work the film back down. Then you can come up to the stop edge and just roll the film over onto the top side. And that lamp is done, so we can go ahead and move on to this one. Same concept on this. We're going to be aligning it at the bottom here first. Then you're going to want this top to hit just basically on that curved portion, and then go ahead and start to work the film down. You can use a squeegee for this. I prefer to use my fingertips just because you have a little bit more control. Whereas like if you're using a squeegee, you could easily bunch that up and put a crease in the film there. Whereas when you use your fingertip, you can sort of feel what the film is doing and work it down from there. Once you got it pretty much down, then you can start to use your squeegee. Now we're going to go ahead and heat both these films to get them locked on. And if you have any overhang in the center, you can go ahead and heat that and press it down on the edge just with your fingertip. When you heat the film and press it down again, they'll show if you have any bubbles left. They'll pop up right now. So once you have that portion applied, then we could go ahead and move to this outer section. This is a 2-part film, as you can see. The reasoning behind that, I'm gonna have to go in front of the camera, I'm sorry. The reasoning behind that is this curve is a little bit too complex to do in one piece. So once you put this second layer down, then everything looks uniformly one. And then we're just going just a touch onto that existing film that's on this side, this face of the lamp. And it's probably easier to start there. So once you have that down, you can go ahead and heat that as well. And again, this is the dark smoke film. So it's also available in a light smoke version. You don't want something quite as dark on your tail lamps. We do have this available in red as well, if you're trying to change the look up a little bit. So that is the installation. Pretty straightforward process. The hardest part is probably just aligning this as you go up. You do have a little tiny overhang there, but it's barely noticeable once it's applied. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop us a line. Again, the link for this project is in the video description below. Thanks for watching.